Thinking about divorce can make anyone feel overwhelmed, but prepping for that first attorney meeting? Trust me, it doesn't have to be intimidating. Here's how I'd ace a divorce consultation with a Houston attorney in 7 simple steps. First, gather your essential documents. That means tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, property records, anything that paints a picture of your finances. The more organized you are, the faster your attorney can understand your situation. Step 2. Write down your questions. This is your chance to get real answers, so don't be shy. Whether you're worried about custody, alimony, or just want to know how long things might take, put it all on paper. Step 3. Think about your goals. What matters most? Custody, fair division of assets, staying civil? Jot down your priorities so your attorney knows what you really want. Next, be prepared to talk about the tough stuff. Honesty is key. Your attorney needs the full story to protect your interests. Step 5. List major assets and debts. Houses, cars, credit cards, student loans. Get those details ready. It'll make the process smoother and help your attorney give you the best advice. Sixth, be ready to talk about living arrangements, especially if kids are involved. Where do you want to live? What's best for your family? And finally, keep an open mind. Divorce is rarely straightforward, and flexibility can help you find the best path forward. At Daniel Obeyday Law, we understand how daunting a divorce can feel. That's why our team of experienced divorce lawyers and family law attorneys in Houston is here to guide you every step of the way. Schedule a free consultation today and take the first step toward clarity, security, and peace of mind. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com.